Are you having problems with your Cash App not showing cash out and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Cash App, and instead you're going to open up the Settings app on your phone. So go into your Settings app, and now you should be taken to a page similar to this basically. So scroll down in here and click where it says General, scroll down a little bit again, and then you're going to click where it says Storage in here. So click on Storage, it's just going to load for us here, and perfectly. And by the way, sometimes this can take a while for you to load. So if it doesn't load like immediately for you, don't worry, just wait for it to load. It's going to take maybe a couple of seconds to actually load this page completely. Now we're going to scroll down in here. So scroll down and find the Cash App in here, as you can see, and click on it, and then you're going to click on Offload App. So click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. By the way, don't worry, you will not be actually logged out by doing this. The simple thing to do this is to actually just, now we're going to click on the blue button. So what I meant to say is that this is the simplest way to update your Cash App to the latest version. So this is exactly what you're doing. You're not logging yourself out of your account. You're just simply updating your Cash App to the absolute latest version. And when you do so, and I did this myself, by the way, and now when it's done, it's going to probably take a couple of seconds, as you can see, for the app to update to the latest version. So when it was done for me, I just went back into my Cash App, like I was already obviously logged into my account, and now Cash Out was available for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.